In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no internet connection on Facebook Messenger, 5 minutes. If Messenger says there's no internet but other sites work, the problem is often corrupted cookies or site data in your browser. We're going to clear those for Messenger using your browser settings. This won't delete your files, but it may sign you out of some sites, so be ready to log in again afterward. Start by opening your web browser. This method works in popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and others. We'll use the built-in settings so there's nothing extra to install. Look toward the top corner of your browser window for the menu icon. It's usually 3 dots or 3 lines. Click that icon to open the menu. This menu is where you'll find all the controls for your browser, including tools, history, and settings. From the menu, click Settings. This opens a new tab or page with all your browser preferences. We're going to the area that controls privacy options, which is where cookies and site data are managed. In Settings, find Privacy and Security. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it will mention privacy or security. Open that section. This is where you can manage browsing data, site permissions, and tracking options. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. In some browsers, you might see a quick option and an advanced option. Either way, we're targeting site data that websites store on your device. When the delete window appears, select cookies and other site data. You can leave items like browsing history or saved passwords unchecked if you don't want to lose them. If there's a time range option, choosing all time ensures you're fully clearing Messenger's old data, but even a recent time range can help if the issue just started. Now click Delete Data or Clear Data to confirm. The process may take a few seconds. This removes cached information and cookies that can cause Messenger to think you're offline even when your connection is fine. When that's done, open Messenger again in your browser and check the connection. Sign back in if prompted. Messages should load normally, and sending should work without the no internet error. If you still see the issue, try a quick browser restart and make sure you're on a stable network, then repeat the same steps. That's it. By clearing cookies and site data, you've refreshed Messenger's connection in your browser and resolved a common cause of the no internet message. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back online quickly.